another snowy morning. Really just ice, actually. Good morning, everybody. I look so gross with my skin. It's just really disheartening, but good morning, everybody. It is the weekend, Saturday, and I'm going to get coffee for me and my mom. Just posted yesterday's vlogmas, and I realized that in the cheese board making clip, my mom covered the mic. Honestly, I'm pissed because she knows how to use my camera, so I'm just annoyed, but it's fine. I know it's not that big of a deal, but it's just like, I really was like, Mom, film this. This is so pretty, and like, I was so excited for it, so it's whatever. We'll have to do another one sometime. And now I'm going to show you guys a little tutorial on how I cover my acne with makeup. So let's do it. I will be sure to link all of the products down below. I was gonna work out now, but I decided I will get ready. Then my mom and I are going to run to DSW. She needs like a pair of boots or something, I don't know. And then I will work out later at the end of the day. I'm gonna start off clean hands, obviously. Lano lips, just like a lip product, chapstick, whatever. Instead of using a primer these days, I just use a moisturizer because my skin is not in the best shape, and this is good stuff. It's just the Ultra Repair cream. This is like the cream that I always use. It honestly also acts as a pretty good primer, so I just like to keep my skin hydrated because I find that when I have dry patches, that's when it gets like the makeup doesn't look as good on it, you know what I mean? So I use my moisturizer. I will also try to link all of the products down below as long as I remember. I feel like I haven't done any sort of like makeup tutorial in a while, so not that this is a makeup tutorial, this is more so just showing you guys how I can go from this. The main event here is IT Cosmetics CC cream. This shade is still, it's light medium, and it's honestly a little dark for me right now because I am really pale. Haven't self-tanned in a while or anything like that. But I'm just using like a Amazon sponge. It's like a knockoff beauty blender basically. And I just go in with this, and I only did like one pump on the back of my hand, dab it all over my face. Just like that, all over, including under my eyes, onto the forehead too. Do you guys do your foundation or your concealer first? That's a really good question for the comments. I know you can do it either way, and honestly, I switch it up. Sometimes I do the concealer first, sometimes I do the foundation first. It depends what mood I'm in. Recently I've been doing foundation first. This is a pretty like full coverage product, honestly. It does the thing. Now I'm going to use a concealer. This is my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I just do like little bit of that, and I'm gonna put it a little bit as like almost like a highlighter, like up my cheekbone. This is like probably my real shade right now. Look at that foundation line. We'll blend that out, no worries. Tarte Shape Tape, I'm pretty sure you could only get it at Ulta, which is interesting. Maybe you could get it from Tarte directly too, but usually go to Ulta for it. But the container of it, or the tube of it, whatever you want to say, lasts forever, which is cool. Blending this in. I also actually like to take that up and put it on my eyelids as well, because my eyelids are naturally like this like red color, so you know, cover it up, why not? And then if I want a little extra concealer on my blemishes, I would use my Sephora acne concealer. This has salicylic acid in it, so it's like really going to work. I'm just gonna do a little bit on my like active spots, just for a little bit of extra Now this is the part that's crucial. I forgot setting powder in my apartment, but I am going to take MAC Studio Fix and this big brush here, and this is where you blend out your foundation line, because you can see like right now I have a pretty intense one, so I just go into like my chin area and kind of like buff it out. I mean, if you're wearing like a turtleneck sweater, you're good, because you know, it goes all the way up there. If you're not good, you're not good. Buff, buff, buff. This is not cute, but it is what it is. This is like a powder foundation. I wish I had a setting powder, like I said, because I would set my face, but what I do is I do use this to set certain areas. This is a pretty intense makeup routine. Obviously this is pretty thick, but I just go in with the powder puff and I do my forehead, my like T-zone, so like a little bit here, a little bit here. Now I'm not claiming that this is a good routine for your skin, but it will cover up all of your stuff. So a little bit down on the chin action. A mask also covers like half of my acne anyways right now, but you know, for the other stuff that it doesn't, this is it. Once again, just reference is what it looks like now. It's really only like this one spot down here that you could still kind of see. Like the rest of it's pretty not bad. Benefit Cookie highlighter, really briefly. I just take the brush that it comes with and do a little swipey swipe. NARS Orgasm blush, a little on the cheeks. Can do bronzer, obviously, if you want. Benefit Hoola bronzer. Sometimes I just do a little. to set it all together. This is a key product because it makes, like, especially if you're setting your skin with like so much powder and stuff, to keep it looking fresh. I do the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Lasting Setting Spray. A bunch of spritzes of that. Oh, I didn't do my brows. I use my Glossier Boy Brow. Super simple. I just literally like go through my brows and like comb through. I don't like to fill them in like a ton. But this does like a little color, a little fill-in, kind of everything that you need, in my opinion. Recently, I've been skipping the eyeshadow stuff, the eyes, if you will. I always do curl my eyelashes just to like get them up, but I have been skipping actual mascara. However, for some reason, my eyes tend to get red, so I use these drops. These are the Lumify drops. They make your eyes look like legit sparkle. It's amazing. All right, and then you could do lip stuff of your choice. I'm just gonna do a little bit more of the Lana lips. I think we're good to go. It's like under 15 minutes. I mean, it's a lot of makeup on my face. I'm not recommending this to everybody, but it covers my acne and makes me feel actually comfortable in my skin. Here's a little action. I clipped a little ring light to my camera so you could see. Pretty decent. I do have to blend this a little bit more. I'm not the best at that. That's where I fall flat, for sure. It's the blending. I even need to blend it more probably onto my neck. I'm happy with it though. I think it looks good. That is my makeup routine to cover my acne for the most part. I mean, considering what the before was, I'm happy with this. Just talking to my dad. Mom, what do you have to say about the audio mishap yesterday?
I'm so sorry.
It's overexposed. No, she's like down about it. It's really fine. I just am letting you know.
I know, but I'm really bad. Like, how many times do you have to show me?
I had her film and she like, the mic on this camera is like right at the top up here.
What? By the way, poor design. Am I the only one?
It's a point and shoot camera. You can't ask for that much. What are those?
Multi. I take them every day.
Yeah, I try to take.
I'm sure you're gonna get a million comments. They're all sugar. They're horrible for you.
Really? No, I don't think those are that bad.
I think they are.
Really?
When I was on Weight Watchers, they're points.
Stop.
Yes, like 2 of them are a point. Like,
oh my god.
Yeah, like
that's
points.
so annoying.
And these are really.
Yeah, they're just coated in sugar.
These are literally probably like 5 points on Weight Watchers.
I take those every day.
Trying to be healthy.
And I try to do a probiotic. That's like my thing. I do like vitamin C, like an everyday vitamin, like a probiotic.
Good for you. Oh, I do a probiotic too.
So you started to do some rapping.
Yes.
Last night, yeah, you did a lot.
Oh my gosh, it's all upstairs. Sal came in last night, you know, like
yeah,
to say goodnight to me. We were already like sleeping early, and it's dark, and he tripped on one of the presents. He's like, oh, who would have thought that there'd be a present right here? Like, mad at me for the Christmas present.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I like your fit, Mom.
Not really, but thanks.
Athletic.
Hold on, I gotta go clean up.
Hi, BB. So many comments asking how Cookie is. You guys are so sweet. She is actually surprisingly okay, considering the odds are stacked against her. We're going to
the store that I promised I would never. The last time I went there, I literally spoke out loud and said, I'm never going back here again.
Why?
Yeah, because I'm size 11. And,
oh, yeah.
You know, and I'm very picky.
We're going to DSW for the record. I haven't shopped there in a while. I personally used to find great things. Like when I was in college and stuff, I would go there for like my going out shoes or like
because you're young and cute. Like I'm old and
you're not old.
No, but you know what I mean. It's.
I get it though. I get it.
What am I gonna do? Get Madden girl shoes? Like.
You can.
I can get Steve Madden. I can't get Madden girl.
Okay. We watched that documentary actually on Steve Madden. It was very interesting. If you guys,
that's a good
recommendation.
I think so. I mean, I don't know if maybe did we feel that way because you know he's from New York and like we were close to it. I don't know.
You could watch it on Netflix. I forget the name of it, but you could just search like Steve Madden documentary. I didn't know he was in jail for a while. That was very interesting.
No.
Well, I mean, I knew that he was affiliated with Jordan Belfort, like the whole Wolf of Wall Street thing, because they showed his company in the movie.
I totally forgot. Totally forgot.
My mama also has to go to the liquor store.
Oh, I was laying in bed this morning and I'm just, what else do I need to get for Christmas? I need to get Daddy like a couple of like gift cards. I want to get him to like Ace Hardware.
Wow, this guy's out here with an axe. Did you see that?
Because it's ice. It's really hard. It's not breaking up.
Yeah, it's very slippery. Just look at the dirty snow for people who don't live in New York. This is what the snow becomes. People don't realize. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's like people are like, oh, beautiful white Christmas. And it's like, this is the reality.
Yes. It's one of those vids that you show me. The truth is, like, look at how pretty it is all on that, where it is.
Let me zoom, hold on.
Untouched white beauty.
Yeah, when it's there, but
right?
then the base of it, like right there is all. Continue the series, Dirty Snow. Look at this dirty snow. Nice.
I'm looking for adult version of combat boots. I have to manifest it because I haven't probably purchased anything in
A year or two.
5 years.
5? No.
Oh, easy. For myself?
Okay.
Definitely for myself. I'm telling you, every time I come here, and specifically the last time, I'm in the third person. I'm like, but why? Why does Adina go?
Well, we're gonna wish for good luck. When was the last time we did manifest something? Oh, you were opening a gift, and you were like, I hope it's a diffuser. And I was like, manifested, and it was.
That was amazing.
Odds of it being a diffuser were like 75.
Why?
Because you had gotten like it before.
Gosh, I was happy, yes.
Runny! They love the clip of you running into the car the other day. Now we're leaving.
As predicted.
Someone did just compliment my mom's hair though.
Well, thank God. At least it wasn't a total bust.
Yeah, you're like, ego boost. No, that was disappointing to say the least. At least for the combat boots. For what specifically you were looking for. They did have Docs. They had Doc Martens at a pretty good price. Now this is gonna be the question of the day for everyone. Do you have Doc Martens? What was the break-in period like on them? And is my mom too old for them?
I think, no, I wouldn't even,
I saw a good pair though.
Yeah,
they looked bulky.
But I have a size 11. Maybe if you were size 9, let's be honest, it's fine. And you know what? My thing is, I just do wonder, is DSW more for like a younger
demo?
Yeah.
I would say the average demo of the people shopping there was your age.
I know.
But are they buying stuff for gifts or for themselves?
Because I guess I shouldn't say that, because then they have like the extreme of...
like shoes grandma would wear.
Right.
That's interesting.
And I'm like sitting here now like, oh, where can we go just to run in and get... Nowhere. Where are we going? To the mall?
No.
I'm going to the mall today.
No. Disappointing. But maybe it's just our DSW.
I think it honestly has a lot to do with the fact that I'm a size 11.
There was a few that we actually didn't hate.
Yeah, we're not gonna say love.
Yeah, not her size. So interesting. Shoe shopping. I just got Morgan's Christmas card featuring everybody. So cute. We have a wall of Christmas cards and I think it can go on there. Hi girl. Mom made cookies yesterday. All right, my whole family is out, like running errands. My brother's with his girlfriend, like whatever. They're all out doing things, errands, and I have the place to myself. It's 27 degrees. This is the part of winter that's like truly unbearable in the north. I could handle anything, like I could handle even 40s. But when it gets into the 20s, it's really cold. I will be hanging here. I think I'm gonna order some Chipotle and Uber Eats for myself. Really just indulgent. I haven't had it in the longest time. I went through that phase when I lived, well, I still live in the city and I would just order it all the time, but then I got sick of it. But I haven't had it in a while and I kind of want to keep watching that trash show that I'm watching on Netflix. Did I accomplish the things I was supposed to do today? No. Supposed to get my nails done. These are so grown out, but I don't feel like sitting there and doing it, even though there are a bunch of places in my town that are open. Thank gosh. I was supposed to work out today and I didn't, but I'll get back on it tomorrow. I always do that for myself though. Like I'm supposed to do things and then I push them to the next day and then the next day is so loaded up. It's fine, but I think that's what's gonna be the agenda. I'm just trying to decide if I should shower first and like get into comfy clothes or eat then shower. What is it gonna be? Pretty much all prepped, but tomorrow I'm recording Gals on the Go. I think I told you guys with my mom and dad, which is exciting. And I don't know if we're doing that in the afternoon or when. I just want to go on their schedule and be like super flexible because obviously I'm just grateful that they're recording with me, but they're excited. So I'm just gonna make sure I'm all prepped for that. I think I have like the questions. It's gonna be like pretty chatty, of course, and conversational. I don't want it to be like an interview, but I like to have like talking points, like where the convo will go. And then of course doing current favorite tip of the week and business of the week. So here she is. Am I about to eat this in bed? Yes, judge me. They made this one thick. It is heavy. Chicken, white rice. I started getting fajita veggies in it. Really good. Black beans. I got chicken instead of carne asada. Carne asada's been a little funky on me, so I got chicken. Mild salsa, corn, cheese, and lettuce. So it's really loaded up. This is like thick. And then to meet like a delivery minimum or whatever, I got a large chips and guac. Love life. Wow, that is my Chipotle order. It's a mess, but it was a loaded bowl. So freaking good. The veggies add a little spice, but they're pretty good. I saw other people doing veggies and I was like, you know what? That sounds really good. Turning off the lights. We put the Christmas sheets on my bed. How cute. Gosh, I look cute right now. I'm gonna end off the vlog here, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at my hair when I let it down. I was just listening to Tori and Gretchen on Gretchen's podcast this week, and that's what I'm ending my night with. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in tomorrow's vlogmas, which I'm excited about, as per usual. Love you guys. Bye.